Good afternoon, student. Here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in my YouTube channel, that is Dr. Kshatriya Amita. So, in previous class, we discussed about some 25 important multiple choice questions related to your practical and examination of course number elective extension 244, course title Agricultural Journalism. So, today we are going to discuss remaining 25 questions. So, let's start our today's lecture on this MCQ. If you like my videos, you like, share and comment on my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's discuss about important MCQs, that is multiple choice question for your agriculture journalism course number elective extension 244. So here I already filled this information, that is email ID, name of the student, registration number. Then we move toward the question number 26. We already discussed about the question up to 25. So question number 26 is dash words per minute is a good average for radio talk. How many words should be required per minute? So it will be called as a good average for radio talk. So here option is given 100 words per minute, 110 words per minute, 120 words per minute, 130 words per minute. So what is the correct answer here? 120 words per minute is a correct answer. Okay. Then next question number 27. Dash is the most powerful media of mass communication because of audio and visual aids. So options are radio, OHP, folder, television or TV. So correct answer is television. It is audio and video, both is in particular television. Then question number 28. Television era began in India on dash year. So options are September 15, 1959, 1965, 1976, 1967. So correct answer is 15 September 1959. So television era is began in the India in September 15, 1959. Then the question number 29. First television station was established at, options are Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, Nagpur. So what will be the correct answer here? First television station is established at Delhi. Okay, so Delhi is the correct answer. Then question number 30. Doordarshan was started in dash year. Options are 1965, September 15, 1959, April 1, 1976, 1967. So correct answer is here April 1, 1976. Okay. The next question is a Krishi Darshan program telecast from dash. So from which place? Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, Nagpur. So Krishi Darshan program telecast from Mumbai. Question number 32. The story based type script for television is also called as dash script. So there is a types of scripts are there, okay, for your television. So options are diagrammatic type script, camera type script, interview type script, discussion type script. So if it is a story based type script, is another name for it, it's a camera type script, okay, or camera script. Then question number 33. Which type of the script is used to present importance of gypsum application in groundnut? So it's one of the examples I am giving here, that is the importance of gypsum application in groundnut. So which type of the script or which type of in which way you are going to present that particular information. So here options are diagrammatic type, interview type, discussion type, demonstration with dramatic elements. So here correct option is a demonstration script or demonstration with dramatic elements. So here we actually taken this particular importance of gypsum on a field, in groundnut field. Okay, so extension worker and farmers, so they are involving in that, and we are demonstration is done at that place. So here demonstration with dramatic elements is the correct answer. Then question number 34. Normal speed of dash to dash word per minute of speech for TV. So what kind of the normal speed of words should be required per minute of speech for TV? That is options are 120 to 140 words, 125 to 150 words, 130 to 135 words, 125 to 140 words. So correct answer is here 125 to 150 words. Okay, so it is a normal speed of word per minute of speech for TV. Okay, then question number 35. Straight talk should not be of more than dash dash to dash dash minute for television. So options are 5 to 6 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes. So correct answer is what here? 5 to 6 minutes. As we learn in the radio script, there is a 5-minute talks is a minute is ideal talk, but here 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, then question number 36. Dash dash is the process of selecting and preparing written, visual, audible and film media used to convey information through the process of correction, condensation, organization and other modification in various media, performed with an intention of producing a correct, consistent, accurate and complete output. What that process we called as? It is a proofreading, it is a editing, it is a title writing or correcting. So correct answer is editing. So editing, in that process we are preparing the or selecting the written material, visual, audible, film media, all these things we are going to select and prepare. Okay, and make sure that particular output should be the correct one, consistent and accurate and complete. Okay, so that is the editing process is there. Question number 37. For typing process, for typing purpose, good quality standardized paper should be used. Which kind of the standardized paper should be used for the typing purpose? So here size is given A4, that is a 297 into 210 mm, A3 295 into 200 mm, A5 297 into 210 mm, A6 297 into 210 mm. So there is some paper standardized paper sizes there, A4, A5, A3, A6. Okay, so we are using mostly A4 size paper for typing purpose. Okay, so that is your A4 297 into 210 mm. So this is the correct answer, option A. Then question number 38. Proper margin should be left on all sides. So from all the sides, what kind of the margin should be kept? It is the left, right, top and bottom. So answer is, so options are left, you should keep margin at left side 4 cm, right 2.5, top and bottom 2.5, or it is a left 3 cm and other sides are 2.5 cm. From left side it is a 2.5 and other also 2.5. From left is a 2.5 or other 2 cm. So here correct answer is what? That is a first. For left side you should keep the 40 cm, right, top and bottom 2.5 cm. This is the proper margin. Okay. Then question number 39. Dash dash are the marks or coded set that a proofreader makes on a paper when they edit it. When a particular proofreader want to edit a particular written material, okay, so how they can edit that particular material? By giving the marks and coded, what we call as that particular thing. It is a copy editing symbol, it is a proof editing symbol, it is a proof reading symbols or editing symbols. So what is the correct answer here? Proof reading symbols, not editing. Okay, so proof reading symbol is the correct answer here. So different kind of these symbols are given in already your in manual, you go through that. Then question number 40. Dash dash is a arrangement or display heading, text, photograph, illustration with a given space. Okay, what we called as that particular process? It is a layout, design, planning or none of the above. So correct answer is a layout. In layout we are making the arrangement for the heading, text, photographs and illustration, that is a graph, chart and map, okay, or any table. So that is thing is there, layout. Then the question number 41. Attention is paid only to the top of the page and matter is called as a dash dash dash. So it is a types of layout are there. Okay, there's some types of layout are given in your manual. So when we are going to pay attention only the top of the page, okay, what we call as that, it is a top and bottom balance, top balance, off balance, broken page balance. What will be the correct answer here? Here the correct answer is what? Top balance. So B is a correct answer here. Then question number 42, the center of the page is ignored and headline is very carefully arranged all over the page is called as dash dash type of layout. So here what? Center is neglected. Okay, only top and bottom is considered here. So what will be called as? It is a top balance, off balance, top and bottom balance, broken page balance. So correct answer is a top and balance because center is missing here. It is ignored in this particular type of layout. Then question number 43, in dash dash balance page is divided into 4 areas. So it is again type of layout is there. So whatever the page is there, it is divided into 4 areas. So what will be the answer? It is a top balance, center balance, stepped makeup balance or off balance. So correct answer is what? Off balance. Okay, so it is divided into 4 areas. Then question number 44, in dash dash concept of balance is still at its bare headline in the broken page are used. So what that particular concept we call as, or the balance we call as, it is a broken page balance, top balance, off balance or center balance. The answer is a broken page balance. Okay. Then question number 45, step makeup balance is also called as dash dash dash. So step makeup balance is also called as triangle, pyramid, rectangular, freestyle. So correct answer is a pyramid. It also called as a pyramid. Then question number 46, in dash dash type of layout, no balance, no limitation, it just filling the particular page. So there is no any balance is there, no any limitations is there, just filling that particular page. It's called as off balance, center balance, step makeup balance or freestyle balance. So correct answer is what here? Freestyle balance. Okay. Then we move towards the question number 47. The center news is in one column is called as dash dash layout. So there is a two types of layout is there, vertical and horizontal. So when we are making the particular news in a one column, okay, so it's called as a vertical layout. Okay, vertical layout is a correct answer here. Then news are multiple column or multi-column is called as a dash dash layout. Obviously answer is a horizontal layout. Then question number 49, how much percent personal sentence present to create reading material very interesting? So this question is from your readability measure. So that is a Rudolph Fleisch formula is there. So that is a human interest and personal words are there. So how much percent personal words are present in the particular matter? So it will be the easy to read by the, or it is create the interest to the readers. So what kind of the percentage needed here? So is the 58%, 43, 15% or 5%. So is one table is given in your manual, you go through that. So when it is called as a very interesting, that particular material, when the 43% personal sentence are used, okay, that time it is called as a very interesting. Then question number 50, last question, dash dash is a sound or combination of sound uttered together or at a single impulse of the voice and construct in a word or a part of word. So what we call as that particular sound or combination of, or whatever the we pronounce, okay, pronunciations. So here options are syllables, reading age, human interest, none of the above. So here answer is a syllable. Syllable is nothing but suppose for example 1920. So how we pronounce that particular word, how much syllabus present in that particular word, that is your thing is here. Okay, so these are the some remaining 25 question I am trying to discuss here. So if you like my video, you can share with other students and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.